we'll be able to apply the triangle sum theorem. So first we need to understand what does the triangle sum theorem say. So the sum of all measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, meaning that each angle, so angle A, plus angle B, plus angle C have to add up to equal 180 degrees. So here I am told that one of the angle measurements is 20 degrees, the second angle is 130, and the third angle is missing. So I would plug in 20 plus 130 plus the third angle, which I'm going to use by representing it with the letter X, has to equal 180 degrees based on the theorem. So now I'm going to combine like terms. 20 plus 130 is 150. Bring down the X, bring down the 180, and solve for X. So when I solve, I get X is equal to 30 degrees. So this missing angle has to be 30 degrees because all three angles add up to 180. I can use the same idea when I am also given an expression for the angle. So for example, here I have angle 70. The second one is also 70 degrees. But the third angle is an expression, which is 4x. So I'm just going to write 4x equals 180. So I'm going to combine like terms. 70 plus 70 is going to give me 140 plus 4x equals 180. Subtract 140 from both sides. It's going to give me with a 4x equal to 40 degrees. Now divide by 4. So x must equal 10. In this last example, we want to find the measure of the missing angle. So first we need to find the value of the letter x. So using the same rationale, one of the angles is 85 plus second angle is represented by the expression x plus 54. Third angle is represented by the expression x plus 55. And this has to equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to combine like terms. I have x plus x, which is 2x. 85 plus 54 plus 55 is going to give me 194 equals 180. Now I'm going to subtract 194 from both sides. So I will have 2x is equal to a negative 14. Divide by 2. So x will equal negative 7. However, that's not the question I'm trying to answer. We're trying to find the measurement of the missing angle, which would be angle A. And that was represented by x plus 55. But I know now that x is actually negative 7. So negative 7 plus 55 will equal 48. So the measurement of angle A will be 48 degrees.